Hello, guys. Good morning to you. Happy Monday. Happy new week. I hope you all are doing fine. I hope your week and you had a wonderful week. Your week was great. My week was fantastic. And I hope you all are just doing okay. Let's dive into it. It's already Monday. And if you've been following my channel and my page, you definitely know that Mondays are days I usually mark at the high and low of the week. And as you can clearly see on my chart, I have clearly labeled them. I've labeled it. You see, it's been labeled low of the week, which is this horizontal ray. That is low of the week, and this is definitely high of the week, and it's been marked every Monday on my 4 hour time frame. Being a day trader, so definitely I've already marked it out. And what am I waiting for now? I'm currently on GBPUSD. So for my 4 hour, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for price to reveal itself. Currently, I'm seeing price pushing to the upside. I'm seeing GBPUSD pushing to the upside, but definitely I'm not going to be in a hurry to do anything. All I have to do is just to stay patient, is just to allow price reveal itself. Remember, definitely the London section is not officially open yet, so I'm definitely just going to be patient, sit it out, and just wait for price to reveal itself. So these are the core principles of how I trade, how I analyze, and what I do. And after marking the high and low of the week, I tend to stay patient. I tend to just relax. So definitely, if I'm seeing price eventually pushing to the upside, all I can do is to wait for a retest before then entering the trade. So definitely, that's the bias on GBPUSD. I'm not in a hurry to do anything yet. Let's jump into gold. So on gold as well, as you can clearly see, I've already marked out my high of the week and low of the week as well. So gold eventually, you can see it's almost doing the same thing or correlating with what GBPUSD is doing as well. But for me, I'm just going to be patient. Definitely, gold is definitely pushing to the upside. It's definitely pushing to the upside, but I'm not going to do anything yet because why? If you watch from my 4 hour time frame, already I've already checked, and like I always do, I do check my daily time frame as well. Not that I'm doing anything on daily time frame. So why I'm definitely being patient on gold is that as much as the daily time frame is definitely surging that we are not in an uptrend, I want to quickly highlight this level on gold. If you can see, looking left, this level has been tested by price. When you look left, price has eventually come to this level, either retested it or bounced off it or break above it. So why am I being patient now? So the reason why I'm being patient, as you can clearly see, looking left, you can see that price eventually have retested and bounced off this level looking left. So that's how I'm definitely going to be watching closely what's happening on gold. So I'm definitely expecting to see price eventually push up. Then I'm going to watch this level. As you can see, I do have a psychological level here. It's my art as a resistance. I do have a psychological level at 4050.00. So definitely this might act as resistance to push the market to the downside. But I'm only going to be patient to see what price is eventually going to do. I'm not going to be in a hurry. I'm just going to stay patient because here it's a very important level on the chart right now for our time frame. It's very important because price eventually, when price got here, price rejected off it, and then when price eventually broke off it, and then price also came back here again and was struggling. As you can see, the multiple stick candle rejection, price failed to break below, but eventually price eventually then pushed to the upside, then broke below that. So I'm now waiting for price. As you can see, price eventually came, retested this same level, and then we found a bit of consolidation during the course of the last week. So now it's a fresh week. All I'm just going to do is to see price eventually break above this level, or if price is eventually going to reject this level again, that might act as resistance. This is my psychological level. So that is definitely my bias so far. That is my thought process also. And you also have to understand, as much as I definitely have this thought process, eventually price might definitely do something else. Price might definitely do whatever it needs to do. But for me, it's all about having an edge, finding a place where you found an edge for you to either trade, for you to either execute, either you buy or you sell. So for me, that's literally my thought process on SAUSD, which is gold. So I'm definitely going to be patient to see if price is eventually going to bounce off or break this level. So I'm definitely going to be patient enough to see price either reject this level or break above it. So that's definitely my bias so far this morning. And I definitely would have loved to also check on other pairs as well. But I've already checked other pairs and I've done the same thing as well. I'm just staying patient. I don't want the video to be so long. So I just wanted to at least keep you guys posted. And as always, every Monday after marking my low and high of the week, so I'm definitely just going to be patient. So this is definitely my thought process so far on gold. I'm just going to be watching closely around this level and see what's going to happen. If price is going to reject or if price is going to break above it. So if you like the way I analyze, if you like my thought processes, how I go about my trade and analysis, I want you to hit the subscribe button and like for more.